Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to unbox something that I am so excited about. The moment I received the text that this was getting delivered today, I knew I wanted to unbox this on camera. So this arrived today and I am going to unbox this with you guys. This is the entire Urban Decay and Game of Thrones collection. I have been such a huge fan for 8 years now. I have followed the show. The show is over. I have mixed feelings about it. Let me know what you guys thought about the finale and everything. Anyway, we're going to discuss about that in a while, but I put up an Insta story asking if any of you knew any Insta stores that could get this delivered for me, or if I could buy it online or anything. And Beauty Horizon went ahead and ordered it for me, and they said that it's on the way. And I think I had to wait like 2.5 weeks, I think so, 2 or 3 weeks for this to finally arrive. It arrived at their place first, and then they sent it over to me. So thank you so much for helping me out with this. And now I'm going to unbox this. I just have my box cutter, which is pretty cute actually. I got this from Miniso, and let's do this. I am so freaking excited. Oh my god, I can see it already through the bubble wrap. Excited. Oh my god, look at this. What is this packaging? This is how it looks on the back. Oh my god, I am so excited. So let's open it. Oh my god, I am so excited. Look at that packaging. I feel like this is the only thing that came out good out of season 8, but that's just my opinion. Look at that. Oh my god, I think I need a moment. I definitely need a moment. I am so excited. Look at the brushes. Oh, they're like swords. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, let's start with the brushes. We've got 2 brushes inspired by Jon Snow. I think his sword is called Longclaw. And then we've got Needle. Oh my god, this is so cute. And then we've also got a highlight palette. And it's the Mother of Dragon palette, and this is what it looks like. It's got 3 highlighters, and they are named after the 3 dragons in the show. We've got Drogon, Viserion, and Rhaegal. May they rest in peace. Spoilers in case you haven't watched them. Then we have the eyeshadow palette, which is what I was so excited about. This is what the palette looks like, and then you open it, has a mirror. Then we have Daenerys's speech about breaking the wheel written in here, and I think you have to pull this for the throne to kind of open. Oh gosh, oh, this is so cool. What is this packaging? And then you pull out the palette, and this is what the palette looks like. Oh my god. So this is what the palette looks like up close. I love the names. I love how the different shades kind of adhere to like the different kingdoms and everything, and I love the names. This is so cool. Okay, so I am going to put this back in there. And those are the eyeshadows. Then we also have 4 pencils in there, which I will take it out for you guys. So these are the 4 24-hour pencils. I'm trying not to swatch them if you haven't noticed, because I want to take pictures. I will definitely use them in future videos, and I'm also going to show you the lipsticks. Look at the packaging of the lipsticks. This is in the shade Cersei Lannister. It is brown with golden flecks on it. Then we have Daenerys Targaryen, and this is what the shade looks like. Next we have Sansa Stark. I love everyone's sigil on the packaging. It's a very cool toned nude. And lastly, we've got White Walker. Oh my god! It is an intense dark brown lipstick. Oh. Okay, lastly, we have the lip and cheek stain. This is what it looks like. Reminds me of Benetint. So that's it. That's everything in here. I thought I should quickly come and unbox it with you guys and make this quick video. I would definitely create a look with this as soon as possible and try and film it for you guys. So thank you so much for watching this quick unboxing. It just means so much to me. This whole collection, I feel like it's such a collectible item and I wanted it so bad. I also have the Johnny Walker White Walker whiskey that they released last year, I think in December, because I'm such a huge fan and such a big nerd when it comes to the show. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much you guys for watching, and thank you so much Beauty Horizon for sending it to me in such good condition. It really means a lot to me. It is the best thing to have happened. It just made my week, my month. I am so excited. That's all. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.